Makita miter saws have engineering superiority over other miter saws. And here's the latest addition to the Makita lineup, the 8.5-inch slide compound miter saw. This miter saw is more compact. It weighs only 31 pounds, so it's ideal for easy transport from job site to job site. But you also get dead-on accuracy, cut after cut. The linear ball bearing system is engineered to deliver smooth, dead-on, accurate cuts. It has 12-inch cross-cutting capacity with 8.5-inch capacity and a 45-degree miter. The saw miters from 0 to 50 degrees to the left and 0 to 60 to the right. The ergonomic rubberized handle design with large trigger has better fit for added comfort. For improved visibility, the LED light illuminates the line of cut. The LS0815F is ideal for wood floor installation, case and base, crown molding, finish carpentry, cabinet and furniture making, general construction, and more.